Hello and welcome to this AppsField AI training, and I'm sure you are going to love this innovative digital commerce solution that you are seeing right here. And this is the AI marketplace that actually sells itself. And in this training, I'm showing you how to build and run digital stores that automate customer engagement and sales process for you 24/7. And of course, AppsField AI is solving a major problem that most entrepreneurs have been struggling to get done over time. And you can see that many times to set up even a digital commerce platform that is fully functional, you have to spend a lot of money with developers, hiring staff to keep a track of what is going on in the store, plugins here and there that you have to get, add-ons that you have to see that there is conversion on your store. You also see inventory problems, lack of products to get into the store, and of course the issue of traffic and sales and all sorts. Let's talk of follow-up and closing and marketing. So the problem is about having a store that actually will have the product, the inventory, the traffic, and also even the marketing solutions all in one place. And this is what AppsField AI has provided in what you're about to see here, and how to even make use of this solution. And so you see right here that AppsField AI is now solving a problem, providing a hosted AI commerce platform for digital products, digital services, franchise capabilities that you have there, and marketing automation, which means AppsField AI is helping you set up a store that can sell your digital products, digital services, also even give you the opportunity to invite other vendors to come and sell on your own store. This is amazing. And the application will automatically build a fully stocked AI software stores, done for you products that are going to be imported into the store already for you, and you can also even upload your own custom products into the system. And I want to let you know a major big solution AppsField AI is providing here is the AI deal maker agent that demonstrates the product, answer objections, capture leads, recommend upsells, and closes sales for you while you are sleeping. That is exceptional solution there, which is a deal maker agent that runs your store for you once you have already fed in the information that is needed to train the agent. Now, so of course you have commercial rights here, and then of course you have built-in software inventory that you can import into your store. In this training, I'm going to be covering the opportunities and monetization that's attached to AppsField AI. You are going to see the value creation and different business models that you can actually use AppsField AI to launch, and the key components of this software. I'll also show you how to quickly build a digital product and service marketplace using this smart automation. I'll also show you how to stock your digital storefront with done for you products and custom apps. Then we will look at how to train the deal maker agent for optimized store operation and productivity. And without any doubt, I will show you how you can leverage inbuilt marketing features that will drive visibility to your store for conversions. Of course, I'm going to conclude this by showing you how to configure payments so that you can receive payments in your store, and how to track the operations going on your store in terms of leads and sales using your mobile device. This is going to be, of course, an interesting training that I want you to pay attention to so that you know how to maximize this application. We are going to look now at the value creation, lucrative business models that is attached to AppsField AI and the key product components in this solution. First valuable opportunity that AppsField AI will provide you is an AI software store business. You can start an AI store software business, and that has a target audience of small businesses, consultants, agencies, freelancers, and so on and so forth, that are looking for AI software solutions without researching dozens of tools individually. So all this target audience, they are looking for, a store that can have what they need in one place. And you can sell them AI software, monthly SaaS subscriptions, you can sell them bundle offers, you can sell them even high ticket custom AI application requests. And this has, of course, an income range potential of looking at $1,000 to $20,000 per month, and you can even scale. Second opportunity that AppsField AI is going to present to you, which you can leverage, is the digital products marketplace. And you can target PLR buyers, affiliate marketers, educators, coaches, online instructors, digital entrepreneurs, and by selling different premium templates, online courses, ebooks, prompt libraries, prompt dashboards, membership resources, and so many digital products that you can sell in your digital marketplace using AppsField AI. And of course, you can sell digital products and even have an income of between $1,500 to $15,000 plus in a month if you actually run this very well, and you can even scale more than that. The third valuable opportunity that AppsField AI presents to you is the AI service marketplace. You can set up an AI service marketplace where you are selling different services, copywriting service, graphic design service, coaching, AI implementation, marketing campaigns, business automation service, consulting services, SEO services. And if you're an SEO provider, freelancer, digital AI consultant, local businesses, you can actually have a service-based marketplace using AppsField AI and set this up for yourself and begin to scale from there. The final opportunity, again, not limited to many that you can still even explore, is to be an AppsField AI workshop facilitator. You can actually conduct live workshops teaching entrepreneurs how to build self-selling AI stores, how to configure AI sales agent, how to upload products, and you are teaching them and charging them, per participant, and you can actually scale and make good income using AppsField AI. This amazing solution has an AI self-selling store builder. I'll create your marketplace for you in less than 5 minutes on automation, and it has an AI deal maker agent. This is amazing because the AI deal maker agent practically runs your store for you while you sleep. It runs the store for you, and this actually solves the problem of you hiring another person to be looking after your online store. All you need to do is to train the deal maker agent about the store and the products, and you see the agent working on your behalf, closing sales, answering questions of potential customers, negotiating offers with them, and then capturing the leads for you, and of course closing the deal automatically for you without you doing anything. And all you need to do is to track the results that the agent has already done and the report that he has already given to you in your AppsField AI backend. This is amazing. Again, the AppsField AI has a done for you AI software marketplace, all right, where of course we see all of your products on the storefront, all right, done for you software marketplace or done for you service marketplace, where people come in and see everything that you are selling. They can navigate your store, look at everything you are doing there, and they are ready to sell. You also have an owner inventory expansion system with AppsField AI. Beyond the products that AppsField AI already is giving you to sell, you can also upload your own existing white label products, digital products that you are also creating yourself, which means you can also create your own digital products, template courses, and list them on your AppsField AI marketplace and sell them just like you have seen the inbuilt inventory. So that means you can have your own inventory, and AppsField AI is also giving you inventory that are already done for you to sell. Again, we see that AppsField AI is not leaving you to the products alone. You have an integrated marketing system in AppsField AI. You can write blog articles, you can do promotional videos and images to promote your store. You have email marketing solution built inside your store, and so much more that you can explore to drive eyeballs to your store. AppsField AI also come, of course, with payment integration systems for you, custom domain that you can attach, of course, and then of course you can track your leads and sales even right on Telegram. And this is amazing, and I'm going to be showing you right now how to set up a digital product or digital service marketplace using very smart automation that AppsField AI has provided. And so we're going to look at this very quickly now. The very first thing you want to do if you want to set up your digital marketplace in AppsField AI, either from the product-based perspective or digital service-based perspective, is to come to your dashboard and click on New Marketplace. And you have 3 store options to pick from. Single vendor allows only you to sell. Multi-vendor allow other sellers to come and sell on your store, while workspace will give you the ability to create a service-based digital store like the Fiverr style. So here, the first thing is to name your store. I'm going to call this Digital Tech Store. And then the next thing is to put a store description. For you to write a good marketplace description, you need a sentence that has your niche, also captures what you are offering, the business offering, and of course also the audience. So you are going to just pick one from each category here, or 2, 1, 2, whatever is the combination you want. You have an example here. A marketplace for AI and marketing SaaS tools. You can see that my store niche is AI and marketing. And then what am I selling? My offering SaaS tools, lifetime deals for who? Content creators and affiliate marketers. And as you can see that I have captured both the niche, the offer, and the audience in my sentence. And that's kind of marketplace description that you want to put in your AppsField AI store. So I come here and put this as a description for my workplace agent. A marketplace for AI and marketing SaaS tools, lifetime deals for content creator and affiliate marketers. All right, and once you've done that, what you want to do is to click on next. And once you click on next, select the color theme that you want. I'm going to go with this, and then you click on next again, and then what you are now left with is to choose a store style. That's a template for your storefront. AppsField AI comes with various options, various store options. And as you can see here, you can actually pick the one that you like. I mean, that is very good for you, and you can actually look at it from that perspective of how you want the look and feel of your store to look like. I want this at the extreme bottom right, and I'm going to just pick that and then click on what? Next. And now to branding, you can select your brand colors as you want. Just change these colors to suit you and upload a logo of your choice. I have a logo here that's a Digital Tech Store. I'm just going to pick this, and then I will click on next. Now it's asking me to select category. All right, so I'll choose here AI, I'll choose here marketing. Let's say you want a category called video. You can just add video here and put enter, and that will just be part of the category as well. And then I can now click on next. Now this is a summary of all the parameters you have selected for the building of your store. Now you're about to launch your marketplace, and AppsField AI marketplace agent will build this in the twinkling of an eye. As you can see right now, it's creating the marketplace, applying your branding and theme, writing your hero headline, generating FAQs, importing your product now is about to conclude and publish your digital store, and you are going to see this live happening just in a moment, and we can now explore this digital store together. As you can see, this is very intuitive, user friendly, and very easy to use. Once your store go live now, you see that AppsField AI is going to assign AI sales agent, which is the deal maker that will be engaging even potential customers on your digital store on your behalf, negotiating, talking to them, and closing deals for you without any delay. You can see now that our marketplace is ready and published, and you can see it here, digital tech store, and this is amazing right here. As you can see here, we are just going to go now and check by clicking on visit. Can you see this? This is the AI sales agent that has been assigned to your store, and what you want to do now, of course, is close this to see your store, digital tech store. As you can see, unlock powerful tools for creators, and this is, and you already have preloaded apps that has been put here for you. As you can see, so you can buy and send people to this store to pick up what you are selling. This is amazing. This is beautiful. And I just want to say this, that once you have your store live like this, then you want to be looking at how to customize your store front. In case you want to change anything on this page, you can now come here into your AppsField AI store and click on manage. And once you click on manage, you see here under page settings, you can actually decide to edit anything you want here. You want to change the hero side image that you see there to anything you want. You can just click here and choose any image you want. It's very easy to do. AppsField AI team has done actually a great job to make this very seamless for you. And if you want to edit the headline, for instance, as you can see here, unlock powerful tools for creators, and you have it here. You can see unlock powerful tools, as you can see here, for marketers. I just want to show you that whatever you edit here in real time is going to update itself there. So, and it's very easy. All you just need is whatever you want, right? You can just edit it right here, and if you don't, just leave it that way and you are good to go. If you want to activate subscription plans, you can do that also right here under here, and name your membership plans, and then of course give the details here, and then you can manage all the subscription plans even right here in this place where you create a new subscription plan and write pro, monthly, yearly, one time. You can do all of that if you want. But what we want to look at here is that you can actually customize even the FAQs. You want to add more questions, or you want to edit the ones that are already built for you. You can do all of that, all right, and add FAQs here. Just click on add FAQ and add more questions. If you don't want, you can delete it. Everything you have here is easy to use and edit. Put in your social media pages, your footer logo, put everything that you need there, your social media URLs, and you can always add that to your page. All right, and then of course here you can put in your meta pixel from Facebook or Google, and then you can click on save page settings. All right, another thing you may want to do is, in case you want to have more custom pages, all right, you maybe want to create a privacy policy page, terms of service page. You just click here and you say privacy policy, and then you put in your content just right inside this place and save. All right, this is very easy to use. So under page settings, you customize your store. Now I'm going to show you how you can populate your store with more products. And that's what you want to do next. Now you want to add more products to the product you already have here. AppsField AI helps you to do that with ease. Still in the settings page here, just come here and click on product. And what you want to do basically is to just import, right, products. AppsField AI is giving you a whole lot that you can import into your store. And here I'll click on import. All right, you can see you already have the ones here, just 4 of them. Then you can say import done for you products, and then you can see a lot of products that AppsField AI has already put here. You have Mailflow, right, Tunes Forge, ClipsField Studio, and all of these are fantastic products you can just pick. So I'm going to pick Tunes Forge AI. I'm going to pick ClipsField Studio. Let me also pick Lead Up Pro. Can you see these products that I've picked now? I'll click on import and they will be imported straight into my store. As you can see, now I have them here. And for you to be able to manage these new products you imported and have access to the admin dashboard so that you can create accounts for your customers, just come here and click on get admin access. Can you see this? Once you click this, then you are taken to the page here, and I can just put in your name, Michael Stees, and then of course just put a random email there. All right, and say digital tech store, and then you click to sign up. And you can see this now takes you straight to activate your admin access for this product. As you can see right here, now you have an admin access for ClipsField Studio, right? And here you could actually invite new users and create different, send invitation for them to have access to the product. This is powerful, and that's how to get admin access for all your products. In case you now want to put in your own custom products and apps that you created yourself, like ebooks and the likes, just come here and click add new product, enter in your product details, and just fill in here the category. All right, put in your seller name and descriptions, how they will access the product. Everything here is just so easy to work with. All right, and then you can set up your deals here, and I want you to pay attention in the deal setup. Concerning the deal setup, so you have 3 options here. You can actually have a group deal. For instance, if you have a product going for $199 and someone cannot afford that, you can give them opportunity to do a group buy. Let's say 5 people want to pick up that, all right, or say 10 people. All right, it means the product is $198 and 10 people can pay $19.8, which means, and every one of them you set a limit for them. If you don't want to put a time limit, or you want to put time limit for them to pay, once everybody are able to get the link to the product, they are able to pay. And once the last person pays, all of them will be able to get access to the product, and then you can set up all what is required to do the group deal. So that's the group deal, and it's very, 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 very powerful. All right, the single purchase will be the person that wants to buy will pay all the fee. All right, and then if you want to activate both options, then you could also do that. So that's how the group deal works. It helps in boosting sales, because if people cannot afford a product, then they can join with other people and then do a group purchase. And if it is single product, of course, single purchase option rather, they can also purchase that. That's why this deal setup is here. So you set up the deal for your product in question. All right, then again, this custom button redirect URL, if you click on it, it means that actually you can actually redirect this purchase to another page outside AppsField AI where you want them to make purchase. If you have a custom checkout or an external marketplace, then they can actually go and do the purchase on that particular place, and they will just put the URL here, and that works very fine. All right, so next is to add the product features and the product details. You put the logo and the image, the demo video. If you have demo video for your product, you put all of that here. Mention the key features, add product tags, and you move next to, if you want affiliate to sell these products as well, you activate that here, set the commissions you want for them, and then of course that will be good to go. And then of course you publish and submit the product for review, and live everything will be in your store activated. And so this is brilliant. As you can see, I've been able to show you how you can import done for you products, and how you can also get admin approval, and then of course again add your own custom image. Now you want to now look at a major thing, which is to train the deal maker agent. I've said this is a powerful game changer AppsField AI has provided. You have a sales agent that is running your store for you, running operations for you. As people come on your store, as you can see here, they are engaging with the sales agent, and they can talk to the sales agent, and the sales agent will be able to run the store for them, provide them product details, listen to what they have to say, the customer has to say, or the lead have to say, and it can actually, present the offer to them, guide them through the features, and of course, close the deal on your behalf, or get their contact details and generate leads for you. And that will depend on how you train the AI sales agent inside AppsField AI here. If you want to train your deal maker agent, you really have to understand how to do this. Right here in the store settings, just come here and click on deal maker agent, and you are here. If you have an avatar image you want to use to change this default image, just put it there. All right, and now give your agent a name. You can say Kenny if you want, and then it says client success specialist, and that's fine. And then you put your own name here, because you are the owner of the store, and so you need to put your own name here, right? And the agent name here, don't forget, agent name here and your own name here. And then you can decide the mood, either a calm tone, or, warm, formal, energetic. Select, I'll leave it at calm. And then if you want the agent to appear in the center or left or right, just you can choose anyone you want here. I'm going to leave this at the center. And then of course, if you want the area, the background area of where your agent is going to look like, you can change all of these things. What really matters is how do you train your sales agent so that it can perform optimally and drive engagement and conversions for you. Of course, here you are going to decide the kind of greeting you want. Hi there, welcome to Digital Tech Store, your one-stop shop for innovative services. Whatever greeting you want, you can just put it there. But the main thing I want to talk about here is how do you train this agent. I'm going to show you a template that will really help you for you to do that. Now, in order for you to train your AI deal maker agent in AppsField AI, there are two things you must think of here. One is the agent needs to know about the identity of your store. And for you to know the identity of your store, we must be able to give the agent information about the store. So what I want to do is to come to my store, all right, and you press Ctrl A and copy all the details on this store. You right click and just copy this, all right, and go to ChatGPT, all right, and just feed that information into this place, all right. And once you fill that information into this place, what you want to do, right, is to put a prompt. This prompt I've already given you here. Copy this prompt, all right? And this prompt is going to give you all your store identity details, store name, what your store is about, product categories. It will generate all of this for you and clear SOP, standard of operation of your store. So you want to copy from here, right, and come to ChatGPT and paste in these instructions. And you can see you put here and say store details below, all right, and let ChatGPT generate all the informations that you need for you to enter into your AppsField AI Dealmaker Agent training section. And so you can generate all of that, and then you copy that information and come and paste here, all right, and that will be a powerful. Can you see now you have store name, what your store is about, product categories. Can you see this? Amazing. And it has given you the standard of operation. All you need to do, and all you need to do is just copy all of this right here, right here, right here, and then just copy that and come to your AppsField AI, and you, after all of this that you have here as default, all right, just enter and put all of that there. This is beautiful. And then you give it also paragraph, and you are done with the store identity details. That's the first one that you need to know, store identity. Then the next will now be product specific details. We look at the product specific details because your AI Dealmaker agent need to understand the products that you are selling, and you have to do that one on product basis. So I've put here again for you another prompt that you need for your product specific details, all right? And this is very, very, very easy for you to do. You are just going to copy this prompt as well, all right? And so what you want to do basically before you do this is that you go to the product itself on your store, all right? Look at this product, for instance. So what you want to do is to come to your store here and pick a product, Video Magic Editor Pro, and click on View Deal. And here you have the product here. You can copy this product and the details. You can just copy everything here, all right, and you just copy it, the same thing you did, all right, and come to your ChatGPT and say product details, all right, and enter in the details of that product, and then you can just go straight down, create a space there at the top, and then copy this prompt. I'm going to give you this template document below this video so that you can make use of it and go through it to walk through it. So you want to now put this here at the top here so that it can now generate the product specific details for that particular product that you need to now enter into the Dealmaker agent, and this is going to help you give the sales agent on your store a very good information about what you are selling here. As you can see, and so it's going to give you everything, problem it solve, and you can easily, can you see this, key benefits and everything that you need. So you can put here and say products name. So all you need to do is to copy this, copy everything. It has written even your objections, all right, and it has put even accuracy rules for the deal maker agent. And so what you want to do is come here and say, just write here product details, all right, and then copy and paste that in here, everything you've got in there. So you say, just say number 1, because you are going to do many more products, so this will be product details number 1, right? So this is for that, and when you are going to do the next, you do for number 2, and that's how you do this. And I'm going to save this deal maker agent. Now I have added enough information more for my deal maker agent to be more accurate in attending to potential customers. And then here, of course, in case you want to prepare all your product details in a document, export it to PDF or a text file, you can do that and just come here and upload them into your knowledge base so that your AI deal maker agent is well trained. I believe that if you do this right, you will see that the AI deal maker agent is going to respond in a very great manner, all right, on your store right here. Now that we have been able to see how to train our deal maker sales agent in AppsField AI, it will be good to now navigate to look at the inbuilt marketing features that AppsField AI has provided to help your store gain visibility, traction, and of course conversions. And the first thing I want you to know is that you have SEO growth feature here, and the one I want to point your attention to here is how to rank with SEO blog articles for your store. Yes, you can write targeted converting blog articles for your store in this AppsField AI. And what you want to do is to click on SEO and growth, still in the store settings there, and then you click on rank faster on Google, and here you can just generate keywords here for your store, and you click on generate keywords, and you see that now you can see the topics that AppsField AI SEO growth engine has generated for you. These are topics that are targeted to the purpose of your store, that are very congruent with the products that you are selling. You can see here best AI video editing tools for marketers. As you can see here, how to enhance content creation with AI, best AI music creation tools. This is amazing, and you can just select any one of these and you will get a premium blog article written for you and posted actually also on your AppsField AI store for you. So we click here, blog, and you can see AppsField AI is generating your blog article for you that is quality and congruent with the tools that are on your store. And what you want to do is just to see, can you see this? Can you see this? This is beautiful. You already have this generated for you even here, and all you need to do now is just look through this and then you publish your blog. That's all. That's all. And you can see, if you want to look at this blog, just click on this tool, and here you see your blog article already published into your AppsField AI store. It already has a cover image. Tell me, this is amazing. This is amazing. And this is now taking them back to the store so that they can pick up that product. I must tell you, this is exceptional, and I can tell you that you have no excuse for marketing your store. Just in a single click, you can generate premium articles for the products that you are selling. The second thing I want to show you here is the marketing studio that we have here that can help you to generate images, promotional images. All right, here you can pick templates of images you want and just give a simple prompt of what you want, a simple image prompt to market anything, any of your products. Here you can add a reference image and generate marketing materials and images for your products. You can generate 9:16, 16:9:11, any aspect ratio you want. All right, and you have all of that here. And once you generate that, you can use this particularly and post them on your social media pages to drive traffic to your store. This is amazing. You can create promotional images, you can generate marketing contents right here in AppsField AI. And you can see this is a beautiful image that I generated right here in AppsField AI. So I want you to know that you have no excuse or any challenge whatsoever when it comes to marketing your store. You have the blog article there, you have even promotional images that you can use and videos for social graphics, and all you need to do is just to be able to connect what you want, choose template, and then of course you generate as many as possible marketing materials that you want for your store. The next thing you want to look at again here in AppsField AI is the lead finder feature. And you see what I did? Just come to the drop down menu here and click on lead finder feature. And right here, this enables you to be able to market your store to target audience. Just put in here, if you want to say content creators, all right, or content creation. You want a content creation company and you want them to look at your store so that they can get some of your apps. Just put in here New York, put the number of leads you want, and just if you want them to have only emails, contact, website, you can check all of this. But I like to just leave them so that the lead finder can have extensive search for you. And then I click on find leads. This is just powerful. You have about 3 marketing channels that I've shown you already in AppsField AI. First is the targeted SEO article. The next is the promotional graphics and promotional video studio. Now you have the leads finder. As you can see here now, you have leads that has been generated for you, and what you want to do in AppsField AI is to send them email directly. Yes, I mean it. And then you can actually send them a store invitation email, and they can come here. You can create a template. I have a template I created, a store invitation, and you can actually have that for them. You will have generated a template and create templates for yourself. So, and then, or you write the email directly if you want, and then you send them the mail right here. Yes, in AppsField AI you can do that. As you can see here, you can even add a lead to list. All right, create short list for your lead, and then you save them right here. You can see the history of the emails you sent, and you can create templates. I created a store template, a store invitation template, which means you can write emails, pre-written emails. Just give a template name. If it is lead generation 1, and then you put the subject and the email you want to send and save, and that's, you have the template saved already, so that when you want to send a mail, right here. All right, you can just select the template that you want and you send the mail. And for you to even do that, it's actually very straightforward. If you go to my accounts, all right, here you can now set up your outreach email SMTP settings. All right, enable SMTP and enter in your SMTP details right here as you want, and then you save it, and then you can actually start sending mails right from your AppsField AI. It's very powerful and easy for you to see how this has changed the game completely. And the last marketing tool I would like you to see is affiliate marketing, which means in your AppsField AI store here, as you have right here, you can click on manage settings, and then you come here down here in your store settings and go to affiliates. You can see right here you can enable affiliate program for your store. Set the percentage you want to give the affiliates, and then put your affiliate terms and conditions, save settings. This means that now you can just invite affiliates to come and sell products on your store and make commissions for themselves. To be very honest, AppsField AI has put together a complete business in a box for digital commerce for anyone who wants to thrive in the digital goods industry, selling apps, selling what different products, digital services, consultancy, using this application and all the marketing features. You are going to see the amazing power that is available to you. The final thing I'd like to show in this training are just some key features that are very important. The first of them is the payment integration, and all you need to do is to come right down here in your store and click on manage, and you go scroll down here in your store settings and look for payment settings. And all you need to do here, my friend, is to select the payment option you want. If you want PayPal, just check it, and then if you want Stripe, just click on this and enter in the details for your payment, and you will start receiving payment once you click on save payment settings. It's as simple as that. And all you want to do here again is look at the custom domain settings. Right here you already have a default domain or subdomain that has been given to you, but if you want to connect your own domain, just put in your own domain here and click connect. You are going to get details that you are going to put in your cPanel, and all the instructions will be given to you right here, and you can connect domain to your store. And of course your email settings, I've already shown you that one here. You connect your SMTP, you choose your store name, right, and put your sender identity and save your email settings. In case you want to change anything in your marketplace, you can change it here, your logo and every other thing. I must say this, AppsField AI is very easy to use, and you will really love this solution because it's a powerful solution. The final thing we will talk about as we close out on this training is how do you track the activities on your store. Just come to the drop down menu here and go to my account, and I'm going to show you how you can actually track all the activities on your store right on your mobile phone inside the Telegram app. And all you want to do is to come here and click on Telegram, and you can see, go to your phone, and on your phone go and open your QR code scanner. Ensure also that you have your Telegram app open, all right, and scan this QR code with your QR code scanner on your phone. And I'm doing mine right now, and this is going to take me to the Telegram app, and it will pop up a chat on your Telegram app, and then you click on start, and immediately I do that, it says connected, and I see also right on my phone that my AppsField AI app has been connected to my Telegram. This means now any lead or sale that come on your store will be tracked right in your Telegram, and you get alerts. This is amazing. You can also connect your custom API keys, maybe to generate videos and images, and you can do all of that right inside this place. I want to say that this is an opportunity, a big opportunity now to get into the digital commerce space, selling either digital products or digital services as much as you want, collaborating with people also outside who has good products to sell on your store, or even sell affiliate products even right in your AppsField AI store. I want to believe that this training will be very impactful for you, and please feel free to ask any question using the support email in your application. And also, I'm going to drop the template that I have shown us right here in terms of setting up our store settings and identity of our store, and also even the marketplace description. I'm going to be giving you this template so that you can study it and make use of them to maximize your AppsField AI software.